For doctors treating a rare form of tuberculosis, it was a case of serious sticker shock when the price for a life-saving drug suddenly went through the roof for no apparent reason.
I thought it was a typo, so I had sent a corresponding email to find out, and I was shocked at the percentage increase in a drug that's really essential for some of our patients.
Cycloserine is not a new drug. The patent expired long ago. Still, it's one of the world's most essential medicines, one of the only options to treat dangerous multi-drug resistant TB.
Everyone who's concerned about public health thought this was pretty alarming.
Overnight, cycloserine went from $15 US per pill to $360 US per pill, a 2,000% increase. What's going on? Just business.
It's people coming from hedge funds. It's people looking to make a fast buck.
It's a growing trend in the pharmaceutical industry, small companies buying up old, off-patent drugs and jacking up the price with public health systems forced to pay. Amir Adaran calls it trolling.
It's buying up something just so that others can't have it and then charging an extortionate price.
Cycloserine was developed by Eli Lilly in the 1960s. But in 2007, it gave the North American rights to the Chow Center, a nonprofit associated with a U.S. university. Last month, the Chow Center transferred the rights to a private company called Rhodalis, and Rhodalis immediately increased the price, putting the cost of treating one Canadian patient to close to $1 million. By this morning, the drug had changed hands again, back to the Chow Center, which set yet another price. So after all of that bouncing around, cycloserine now costs $35 US per pill, double what it was a month ago. In the end, that amounts to a 100% price increase for a pill that sells for 22 cents everywhere else in the world.
It's extremely important that the medical community knows that the medicines which a patient is depending on to live could overnight cost 100 times more.
If it weren't for all the negative publicity, Professor Adaran says he thinks the original 2,000% price hike would still stand. And he's calling on Ottawa to step in with regulations as more and more companies buy up old but important drugs just to increase the price. Kelly Crow, CBC News, Toronto.